In this video, I'll show you how to check your screen time on TikTok. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials. If you're curious about how much time you're spending on TikTok each day, or if you want to manage your usage better, TikTok has a built-in feature that tracks your screen time. To get started, open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap on the option called Screen Time. Here you'll find a summary of your daily and weekly TikTok usage. You can see how long you've used the app, how many times you've opened it, and even set usage limits or breaks if you want to take more control over your time. And that's it. Now you know how to check your screen time on TikTok and stay aware of your usage habits. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks.